In today's video, I will walk you through how to add mass index in Robinhood Legend. Go to Robinhood Legend. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where the main controls are located. Just below the Add Widget area, look for the Indicators icon. This is where you can access the full list of available indicators for your chart. Click on the Indicators icon to open the Indicators menu. Inside the menu, select Add Indicator. This will open the list of all available indicators that you can apply to your chart. Once the list is open, scroll through the available options or use the search box at the top of the panel. Click inside the search box and type Mass Index to quickly locate it. When you see Mass Index in the results, click on it to add it to your chart. After selecting it, the indicator will be applied and will appear on your chart automatically. Now move to the area where the indicator settings are available. Look for the Setting option connected to the Mass Index indicator. Click on Setting to open the Customization panel. Inside the Settings menu, you can adjust how the Mass Index is displayed on your chart. Review the available options and make any changes you want directly within this panel. Once you are done, exit the Settings panel to return to your chart view. The Mass Index will remain active and visible on your chart with your selected configuration applied. You can continue analyzing your chart while the indicator stays in place. That is how you add Mass Index in Robinhood Legend, locate it through the Indicators menu, apply it to your chart, and customize it using the Settings option.